or this is your total lung. I have drawn one alveoli. So the lungs are full of alveoli. So what happens in these alveoli happens to all the alveoli of the lungs. Let's say here is our blood vessel. Blood coming, blood going. Exchange of oxygen, exchange of carbon dioxide happening with type 1 pneumocytes. Type 2 secreting surfactant using the lubrication anyway. Due to some reason, let's not go into that deep. Due to some reason, we have some inflammation here. There are a lot of reasons like sepsis, acute pancreatitis, or direct lung injury or trauma. They will not ask you that. Just listen to what I say. They will ask you what. Let me tell you. So there is sepsis going on all over your body. So whenever there is an inflammation, what happens? We told you in pathology class that our blood has plasma and cells. In plasma, we have immunoglobulins. Okay, like plasma proteins. What are the proteins? Albumins, globulins, fibrinogen, cytokines, angiotensinogen. Okay, angiotensinogen, all these, na? These are from liver. These are from liver and they are roaming around in blood. And now there is sepsis in your body. And a lot of cytokines are moving around. Cytokines, like all the tissues are inflamed. Okay, all the tissues are inflamed. What happens? Let's say these are not getting blood. Okay, let me make it easier. What happens in shock? Let's say septic shock. What happens in shock? Blood vessels are dilated and plasma is leaking inside tissues. Okay, there is widespread inflammation in all the tissues of your body. Like that, inflammation is happening in type 1 and type 2 pneumocytes. Now we need to counter that. And how do we do that? These cytokines, these cells are under attack. Lung cells are under attack. So we need cytokines, neutrophils, macrophage from blood to these cells, from blood to these cells. So what happens? Endothelium is activated. What is endothelial activation? Endothelium shrinks. Endothelium shrinks. And why? Because these cells are being damaged. Now we need to counter that. So from blood, what happens? Endothelium is activated. Whenever cells are damaged, they release, cells have plasma membrane. Plasma membrane have arachidonic acid. And I told you that arachidonic acid, when metabolized, it gets metabolized in two pathways, cyclooxygenase and lipooxygenase. So due to some reason, these cells are damaged and their plasma membrane releases from cyclooxygenase pathway prostaglandin E, F, G, H. From lipooxygenase pathway, leukotriene B, C, D, E. Now, leukotriene B4, prostaglandin E2. These will dilate the blood vessel. This will come here and dilate the blood vessels. So blood vessels are dilated. And these leukotrienes will activate endothelium too. Okay. These will call the neutrophils. And when endothelium is activated, when gaps appeared, they release TNF alpha. We all know from inflammation. Just take a recap. I'm telling it very slowly. So endothelium will and TNF alpha and some other molecules. Okay. So with this gap, cytokine will come here. cytokine will come here. Cytokine will come here. Now, cytokine does not have legs. It will not just walk and come. Who will bring those? Your plasma, the water. Simple as that. These cells are damaged. These cells are damaged. And blood vessel endothelium is shrinked. Okay. And the cytokine is released all over the body. So they will go from here and damage these cells, and this will attract other particles like neutrophil, macrophage, all of them. They will go later. This endothelium is activated and blood is leaking inside. This alveoli previously was full of air, now it's full of water with plasma proteins. So cytokines and other plasma proteins too. Just important ones I am telling you. So it's full of water now. So previously we had here type 1 pneumocyte who would exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide. Now, because of this full of water, the oxygen and carbon dioxide can not be exchanged. I tried to make it very simple. So, massive cytokines released, they damaged lung cells or alveoli, they damaged, and they activated endothelium too, and other particles and plasma is leaked inside the lung alveoli. So the diffusion of oxygen and carbon dioxide is hampered. So we are getting shortness of breath. So what's the reason? Bilateral pulmonary infiltrates. What are the infiltrates? All those plasma protein, they are the infiltrates, neutrophil, macrophage, and other things, or a lot of plasma proteins, due to massive cytokine release. Remember it by heart. Acute condition is characterized by what causes shortness of breath? Why ARDS happens? What is the reason? The reason is massive cytokine release. Remember, the heart is okay. What's the problem? So cause cytokine release, massive cytokine release. Why shortness of breath? Due to diffusion of oxygen and carbon dioxide is blocked or hampered.